Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here with the Lawn Channel. Today we're just going to do a quick edge up on the yard. You saw in the previous video that I had cut the lawn, but I ran out of time. So today we're going to edge the lawn, and that's probably about it. We got rain moving back in. Also yesterday I did apply the T-Nex, the plant growth regulator, to the entire front and side. Whereas normal I would apply it everywhere but where I sprigged. But this time I went ahead and did apply it to the sprigged areas, and so we'll see how that works out, see how that thickens up and the color changes. But today I think we're just gonna edge it up, and then maybe I'll put some fertilizer out. I don't know, I'm kind of still on the fence because I went so long without it, and I really just don't wanna cause any issues from applying fertilizer when it's not needed. I don't even know if that would be a problem, but everything's good, so I just don't really wanna put too much on the lawn. So don't pay attention to all the crap back here. I will be taking care of that soon, but I'll show you how I edge my pavers. I'm not sure if I'll keep these. I'm probably gonna do like I do on the other side and go edgeless, but anyway, I'll show you how I weed eat this part. All right guys, so this is the product I'm using for the plant growth regulator. I know some people have asked the name of it, and it's called T-Nex, and there's a longer name for that, and I don't know how to, it's trinexapac ethyl, I guess, I don't know. Same active ingredient that is used with, I don't know if you can see that, Primo Max. So this is the product that I use. I apply this on my Hybrid Bermuda at 0.25 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So if you had 4,000 square feet, that would be 1 ounce per 1,000. This is 1 gallon, so it has 128 ounces. So generally, like for my front yard, I'm applying 2 ounces. So essentially this would get me 64 treatments. And I forget the price on this. It's not cheap, it's over $100, but this stuff is incredible. All right guys, so I'm pretty sweaty as usual. It's not as bad as the other day, but it is a little bit cooler today, but it still is humid outside. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment, please. Subscribe if you want to see more like this. This is a little different than mowing the yard, but it's all I got right now. I don't think I'm gonna put the fertilizer out today. I got nothing else to do, so this is all I got. But as we get into the fall, we'll do some more fall prep. We've got pre-emergent coming out soon. We will be putting out pre-emergent soon, and of course I'll film that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you later.